In my lifetime, the pound and the dollar have lost more than 85% of their purchasing power. Just think about that. But what if I told you that Glint had created a real alternative currency that protects you from the outdated and unreliable monetary system? A solution that gives you complete control of your money outside of the risks of bank lending, government debt, and the devaluation of national currencies, which are due to low interest rates and rising inflation. Glint is a global, multi-currency fintech regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority with teams in the US, the UK, and in Japan. We've enabled gold, the most proven and trusted store of wealth, to be used in real-time electronic payments.
So why gold? For a start, in the same period that fiat currencies have lost 85% of their purchasing power, gold has actually increased in value by over 500%. Gold still buys you what it did 2,000 years ago, let alone 50 years ago. Great store of value, but unfortunately it's not a very good medium of exchange. You can't exactly walk down to your local grocery store, shave off a couple of grams and buy a box of cornflakes. And this is where Glint comes in. At Glint, we've enabled real gold to be used as real-time electronic payments.
If gold is security, Glint is its key. With our advanced and scalable technology, we've made solid gold liquid.
Glint's multi-currency app and Mastercard, of which we're a principal member, allows our clients to instantly buy, save and spend real gold. And with the recent introduction of Glint In, they can even send it as easy as sending a text with low fees and no hidden charges. Glint is your future-facing response to an aged and broken monetary system, one that puts the control of your money back into your hands, giving you more reliable purchasing power over time and instant access to pounds, euros, dollars and gold to spend on anything from a coffee to your next family holiday.
Glint is definitely not a bank nor a cryptocurrency. We don't have the same volatility, high cost, slow speed or intense use of energy that cryptocurrencies have. With Glint you get real gold. There's no token or crypto or fund or company that exists between you and your ownership of your gold. Glint is fast, with transactions completing within 200 milliseconds. It's low cost and far less volatile. Your gold is protected in a secure Brinks vault in Switzerland and insured by Lloyd's of London, and is easily accessible through our advanced technology.
Typically, Bray Capital invests in early startup businesses. They may be within the first few months of establishment, or it may be the first few years. We're looking for a great idea with a business with innovation, disruptive businesses, but we also need the team that can deliver on the potential of the business. And we feel that Glint has both of those boxes ticked. The opportunity is huge, the potential is global, and we believe the team have all the right characteristics to be able to deliver on that full opportunity.
To date, we've raised more than £20 million, which we've used to build our global payment system and regulatory framework. Our investors include the likes of Sprott Asset Management, the Tokyo Commodity Exchange, and Craig Dewar, who's the co-founder of GPS that powers the neobanks like Revolut, Monzo, Starling and Curve. We've now shifted into growth mode, and since the autumn are able to report that we've grown our user base from 53,000 to 75,000. That's a 40% growth in the last 4 months. We've had over £140 million of transactions on our platform to date, and the size of the potential target market is enormous. With this funding round, we want to give you the opportunity to share in the future of Glint. We're going to use this investment to build momentum in client acquisition, continue product innovation, expand our incredible team, and provide working capital to make Glint the global gold-based alternative to banking, payments and money.
Glint is increasingly a potential acquisition target for those incumbent banks and technology companies looking to differentiate themselves in the battle for a share of the client wallet. We could also offer an IPO. We'd love you to share our journey and be part of the Glint team.
Glint's vision is a world where everyone has an equal opportunity to prosper. And with our skilled team and technology, we are creating a fairer, more stable future for money. Be part of Glint's future. Just follow the simple instructions on screen and let's continue on this journey together.